Hey guys, AJ here. Thanks and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for staying tuned and supporting us as we continue to grow and add different things and the kind of content that we're sending out to you guys. This video is going to be a little unboxing and then I'll make another video later doing a little review. But I'm looking to kind of trick out a gun, I guess. And I had a buddy, him and I were talking, and he mentioned this pretty inexpensive bipod from CVLife, found on Amazon. It was like $18 for a 6 to 9 inch spring-loaded bipod, and he was, you know, we were talking about some of them cost $50, $60, up to $100, you know, for these name brand, and we just didn't understand why. And especially for, I mean, you use them, but you're not like every single day cranking on it. Maybe some people are. He doesn't know, we don't know the durability as much, but you know, it's got the, looks like the little piece to easily pop this on and off, but it just seems pretty simple. Looks like it's made out of aluminum. It's got some heavy duty springs. Well, those are pretty solid. And then looks like there's buttons right here on the back, and they just pop out. Oh, and they even got little notches. I wonder if that, oh yeah, you can adjust the notches. You just hold the button and you can move it. But if you want the quick, push it in, boom, full extension. Then it stays, it's solid. You know, if you need to adjust one leg and not the other, depending on your ground that you're laying on, sitting on, whatever. This bipod you're probably gonna be sitting. They also have one that goes, I think 12 to 15 or 12 to 18 inches. So, you know, it's a pretty solid, stout looking bipod. I just like how it's boop, quick out, ready to go. So I'll make another video on a little review. I'll attach this to my gun, go shooting, and see how well it does. But you know, it's definitely, I feel like at this point, worth $18 to figure out if this is a good bipod for my gun, because I'd rather spend $18 than $100. As many of you know, hunting gear is not cheap, and if you would prefer, you just got to buy what you can afford, really. There's gear that's definitely better than others, and you pay what you get, what you pay for, and I wholeheartedly believe that. But for something small like a bipod, just to have that additional rest on your gun, I feel like this, at least at this point, seems like a pretty solid start, and a definitely worth, for the material it's made out of, $18. But you know, we don't know how long it lasts. His buddy had it, he's had it for over a year, had no problem. So I guess we'll see what happens and go from there and see if it's something worth having. But $18, better than 50 to 100. So thanks again for watching, and stay tuned for a gear review of me putting this on my gun and firing a few shots.